Hello friends, we will know today about the green marketing concept. Before going for the green marketing concept, we should know what do you mean by marketing. In simple words, marketing involves all the activities which involves transfer of goods and services from producers to end consumers. What do you mean by producers? The producers are the persons who create goods and services. It may be a producer of a bread, it may be a hairdresser, it may be a doctor, and transfer of these goods and services from the producer to consumer is called marketing. It involves many activities such as promotion, advertisement, then production, survey from the consumer that involves knowing the needs of the customers. This involves many activities. In normal sense, we generally believe that marketing involves selling the goods, but not. Marketing is a broader concept, and marketing even starts much before the production of the goods. It starts from knowing the needs of the customers, and after knowing the needs from the customers, we produce the goods and services according to that needs, and after that we do promotion, we do advertisement in order to get the goods transferred from the producer to the consumers. This is marketing, or we can say traditional marketing. Now we should move towards the concept of green marketing. The word green itself is self-explanatory. We always think of saving our world, our mother earth, green products, eco-friendly products, the products which are safer to the environment, the products which are less harmful, which are easily biodegradable. This is called green marketing. I would explain again. The marketing or the marketing activities, doing these activities in such a way that it causes less harm to the environment. For example, if you do advertisement in a newspaper, it involves paper, and paper, how you get paper? We get paper from the woods, and that wood is got from the trees. So if we advertise on a paper, that is a marketing or traditional marketing. But if we do the same activities on internet, through email, through any Flipkart or any other online website, the same thing is being done. Our product is advertised, but here there is no harm to the environment. Similarly, if we use a energy efficient product, that is marketing, but that energy efficient product is saving the electricity, and again it is conserving the nature. We can produce a plastic material, but we create such a material which is easily biodegradable. That will be a green product. So green marketing basically involves production of green products, marketing or advertising through green channels, that may be online advertising through Facebook and WhatsApp media, through online portals, websites. That is called green marketing. Providing greater usability products which can be reused, which can be recycled. This type of production and this type of marketing is called green marketing. What is the benefits of the green marketing? Why there is a need in this world of creating green marketing concept, and this concept is getting popular day by day. First of all, we want to conserve our nature. Secondly, we want to cut down our cost. Green products are not only eco-friendly, rather than financially they are sound also. A small organization can also adopt such means. For example, a small organization cannot afford to advertise in a newspaper. But this small type of small organization can afford to advertise in Facebook post or WhatsApp group, and through Flipkart, through Amazon, and any other online portal. So this is the brief introduction of green marketing.